The Queen is back to work and reportedly in good spirits after spending a night in a London hospital last week. But the royal health scare has prompted a major shake-up in her future public appearances.
That's right. Joining us now with the latest is 9Honey's royal reporter, Natalie Oliveri. Nat, so what's the change?
Good morning, David and Belinda. Well, this new working order will see Queen Elizabeth joined by either one of her children or one of her grandchildren and all future coming events, because it will allow the Queen to cancel at the last minute if she needs to have a rest or if her health declines. It will also avoid any public disappointment if the Queen does need to pull out at the last minute, because then a member of the royal family will already be attending. Now, this really is a major change to the Queen's schedule. Already this year, we have seen her joined by a number of her family members at public events: Prince Charles, Camilla, the Duke and Duchess of Cambridge, and also Prince Edward and his wife Sophie. And it really has been something the palace has been trying to do since the death of Prince Philip, because no one wants to see the Queen sort of out there and alone. And now that she is getting older, her health is perhaps declining a little, it's now time for the other members of the royal family to step up and help Her Majesty where she needs it.
We know she's been told to lay off the booze, but we've also heard that she's behind the desk at Windsor Palace. But how is
You
Her
make it
Majesty
sound like she's
felt?
a right tippler.
Well, you know, she's been told to,
leave the hip flask at home, Your Majesty.
Leave the gin alone for a little while anyway.
Yeah, well, look, she has been told to give up that nightly drink, which I think is a little unfair. Look, she's 95, she's busy, she deserves a drink. Look, the palace really doesn't give a running commentary of her health, but the last we heard from them was on Thursday night UK time, where they said she was in good spirits. As you said, she's now back behind her desk at Windsor Castle, reading her red boxes and her papers from the government. She has been sort of told to rest, and doctors have been, they're really waiting for some test results at the moment to allow the Queen to resume her public duties. There are a number of events in her diary coming up in the next couple of days and weeks, and so far none of those have been cancelled. But look, since she returned from Balmoral Castle this month, the Queen has taken part in 19 engagements so far, and her staff are now being told to really cut back and prioritise the engagements which are of most importance. But look, the Queen is famously stoic. She doesn't like the idea of having a rest and slowing down, because really for nearly 70 years she has been putting duty first.
Just quickly, Nat, it comes as William and Kate now have been spotted at the airport returning to the United Kingdom.
They have. So the Duke and Duchess of Cambridge and their three children, George, Charlotte and Louis, they were all seen at Heathrow Airport on Thursday. They were coming back from a family holiday. Now, they had arrived on Thursday, the same day Queen Elizabeth was discharged from hospital in London. So many people are sort of seeing that as, you know, rushing back to be by the Queen's side. But so far, look, we aren't being told there is any cause for alarm. But look, Prince William is one of the royals really stepping up, taking charge of these royal duties. He apparently is taking charge of the Balmoral and Sandringham estates in the Queen's absence. Also, those were jobs that his grandfather, Prince Philip, would have done before his passing. So really, William is preparing to be king one day, of course, after his father. But there is a huge absence now left by Harry and Meghan too, so the Cambridges really have to step up there.
All right, Nat, we'll leave it there. Good to have your insight into that this morning.
Thanks, Nat.
Thank you.